beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 7th standard contents for Tamil medium and English medium students. Make use of it, students. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning, students. Already you know about some algebraic topics. Today we are going to see subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay. First, subtraction of algebraic expression. So we have to find out the difference between two like terms. We find the difference between the numerical coefficient of the like terms. Two methods to find out the sum or difference between the like terms. What are the two methods? First one horizontal method and second one vertical method. First of all, you note this point. Subtracting a term is the same as adding its inverse. Inverse means, for example, subtracting plus a is the same as adding minus 3a. So, therefore, 3a, the additive inverse of 3a is minus 3a. Okay. So, here one example you see, subtract 3a from 7a. So, from after what term is there? 7a. So, 7a, subtract symbol minus 3a. So, coefficient what is here? 7 minus 3. That is 4a. This is horizontal method. So, vertical method, how will you do this? 7a, 3a. So, subtract sign here, minus. Okay. So, plus 3a. What is the additive inverse of plus 3a? Minus 3a. Therefore, 7 minus 3 equal to 4, 4a. Okay. Next example, subtract minus 2xy from 9xy. So, you can write it, first one 9xy, here given minus 2xy. What is the additive inverse of minus 2xy? Plus 2xy. Therefore, 9 plus 2, 11. 11xy, like term. Is it clear? Okay. Next, subtract 8p squared q squared from minus 6p squared q squared. So, what is the first term here? From after minus 6p squared q squared. Next one, 8p squared q squared. So, what is the change of sign here? Minus 8p squared q squared. So, minus minus, you can add minus only. 8 plus 6, 14. 14p squared q squared. Next example, subtract 6a minus 3b from minus 8a plus 9b. Already we have seen with the like term, one like term. Here two terms are there. So how to do that? From after what algebraic expression is there? Minus, you write it first. Minus 8a plus 9b. Next one given 6a minus 3b. Here also the same rule. What is the additive inverse of plus 6a minus 6a? That's why we are putting here plus means minus. Okay. Second term only you change the sign. Here minus means plus. So thereafter minus 8 minus 6. So add the term. So minus 14a and plus 9b plus 3b. So here also plus 9 plus 3 12b. So the answer is minus 14a plus 12b. Next, we will go to the practice problem. Here, subtract 2 bracket of p minus q, closing bracket, from 3 into bracket of 5p minus q plus 3. Same rule, first from after what term is there? So 3 into 5p minus q plus 3. Subtract minus 2 into p minus q. First of all, you multiply with each term. 3 into 5, 15p, minus 3 into q, 3q, plus 3 into 3, 9. Here you see, next one, minus 2 into p. What is that? Minus 2p. Minus into minus, plus 2 into q, 2q. Okay. Next, grouping like term. So 15p minus 2p minus 3q plus 2q plus 9. As usual, 15 minus 2, 13p. Minus 3 plus 2 means greater sign minus. So, minus 3 minus 2, 1. So, minus 1q, that is minus q plus 9. So, answer is 13p minus q plus 9. Okay. Next, subtract a squared plus b squared minus 3ab from a squared minus 3b squared minus 3ab. Here given two methods are there. In exam, you can write only one method. First, horizontal method. From after what algebraic expression? A squared minus b squared minus 3ab. What is the sign subtract? Minus. Here given next one, a squared plus b squared minus 3ab. Here also that same, first one as it is you write it, a squared minus b squared minus 3ab. Next, whatever that change of sign. So, minus into a squared minus a squared, minus into b squared minus b squared, minus into minus plus 3ab. Otherwise, you can say, tell it as, what is the additive inverse of a squared? Minus a squared. B squared minus b squared. Minus 3ab plus 3ab. After grouping like term. Like term means a squared minus 3a squared will cancel. Minus 3ab plus 3ab also cancel. Remaining minus b squared and minus b squared. What is the coefficient of this? 1. Here also 1. So, minus 1b squared minus 1b squared. That is minus 2b squared. Is it clear, students? Okay. Then we go to the vertical method. Vertical method also that same. First from after you write it. Second term write it. A squared, what is the additive inverse? Minus, plus, minus. Here also plus means minus. Second algebraic expression only you can change the sign. Minus, plus. So, a squared minus a squared 0. Minus b squared is minus 2b squared. Minus 3ab plus 3ab 0. Therefore, the answer is minus 2b squared. Here, if a equal to 5x squared plus 7x plus 8, 3 terms, b also 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. We have to find out 2a minus b. First of all, you multiply with 2 into a. 2 into a, 5x squared plus 7x plus 8. 2 into 5x squared, 10x squared. Plus 2 into 7x, 14x. Plus 2 into 8, 16. So, here write the algebraic expression 2a minus b equal to 10x squared plus 14x plus 16 brackets minus next b terms 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. First brackets you write it as such, and here also minus means you have to write the next change of sign. So 4x squared plus 4x squared here. So minus 4x squared. Minus 7x plus 7x plus 3 minus 3. After grouping the like term, 10x squared minus 4x squared, 6x squared. 14x plus 7x, 21x. 16 minus 3, 13. Therefore, 6x squared plus 21x plus 13 is the answer. Next question. What should be subtracted from 14b squared to obtain 6b squared? That means which number you subtract from this, you get it 6b squared. So, how to find out the answer? First from 14b squared. So, and 6b squared. So, change of sign you do it minus 6b squared. So, 14b squared minus 6b squared equal to 8b squared. That means we have to subtract from 14b squared minus 8b squared. We get it 6b squared. Is it clear, students? Next sum. What should be subtracted from 3a squared minus 4b squared plus 5ab to obtain minus a squared minus b squared plus 6ab? That same before sum only, but here 3 terms are there. So, from after what number? You write the first. Next one, you write this. And change of sign. Minus a squared means plus a squared. That is 3a squared plus a squared, 4a squared. And minus b squared. What is the change of sign second? Minus b squared means plus b squared. So, minus 4 plus 1. So, minus 3b squared. And plus 6ab. What is the change of sign? Minus 6ab. Okay, you put it the next here. And plus 5ab minus 6ab. Therefore, minus 1ab. So, you can simply write it as minus ab. Therefore, 4a squared minus 3b squared minus ab is the answer. Next one simple sum. Subtract only one like term 7pq from 11pq. Directly you write it as 11pq minus 7pq equal to 4pq. Okay, here explanation you see 11 additive inverse of 7pq is what? Minus 7pq. Therefore 11pq minus 7pq equal to 4pq. Next sum. Minus a from a. Subtract. So, first you write it from after a. What is the sign? Minus. Given minus a. What is the additive? So, we can make it here plus means you have to write the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus a? A plus a. Therefore, a plus here additive inverse a. So, a plus a equal to 2a. Okay, students, first learn the content and write it once, and after you do the homework. Okay, thank you, students.